there. Joining us now, maybe check that out, I guess, early tomorrow?
Yeah, if you can, earlier on in the day, considering we're looking at that wet weather likely pushing in by the middle of the afternoon and then continuing through your Saturday evening. Still some lingering showers early Sunday, then we should dry things out, but it's going to be quite cool and quite cloudy out there. So if you were hoping that it wasn't going to be nearly as warm as what we had out there for the day today, wish granted, but again, we're going to be dodging some of those raindrops out there through the weekend. But we had that high of 83 in DC, upper 80s farther south and west, where we didn't really see quite as many rain showers or thunderstorms earlier. That's where we did see those temperatures warm up. That warm front did provide us with that summery feel to round out the work week, but also did provide us with some of those showers and storms. But that cold front back out towards the west, a low pressure will ride right along it, bringing us some more wet weather across our area. Here's a view of the radar right now. A couple of lingering rain showers, mainly across southernmost parts of Maryland, but any lightning has since faded away or pushed its way off towards our east. So we're just tracking a couple of those spotty showers at this point. Now highs tomorrow. Notice that difference across much of the map, but also notice a difference from what we had out there for earlier today. Areas to the north and east likely highs upper 50s to low 60s, low to mid 60s for DC, lower 70s the farther south and west you go. The reason why is because we'll see more of an easterly wind out there tomorrow. That wind direction paired up with the cloud cover and also the rain showers. Yeah, that spells out slightly cooler temperatures out there for the day tomorrow. Futurecast shows that as well. As we look through the overnight tonight, we do see drier conditions. Those clouds will build in, those winds shift to mainly out of the east. Temperatures start off in those 50s. Here's that rain approaching from the west and likely right along and west of the I-81 corridor by noon. So still closer towards DC, still looking dry, but you have the clouds. Temperatures right into low 60s. Then that rain continues to move its way eastward. So I would say right around 3 p.m. So we see the leading edge of that rain pushing into the district and still likely sticking around through your Saturday evening plans. Areas south of 66, that is where we have the best chance for some thunderstorms to move in as well. Then as we look through the overnight into your Sunday, so expect Saturday night quite wet out there. Then those rain showers start to break apart into your Sunday morning right around 6 a.m. starting off in the 40s out there on Sunday morning. And then those winds pick up out of the northeast, keeping us cooler on Sunday. High temperatures on Sunday, likely into those upper 50s. For parts of the area, it will be a struggle to make it to 60 degrees out there for the second half of the weekend. So noticeably cooler out there for our Sunday, especially when you factor in that we typically should be into those lower 70s for highs this time of the year. In terms of rainfall totals, though, we should see at least right around half of an inch to about an inch of rainfall widespread across the area. Beneficial rainfall. We do need it considering that severe drought that was issued across much of the area with a recent drought monitor on Thursday. Yes, this is beneficial rainfall for the weekend. I know not ideal timing if you do those outdoor plans. Just make sure that you do have the rain gear on hand and also maybe even that jacket, especially on Sunday. As we get ahead towards the rest of that 7-day forecast, more rain chances as we get towards Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Not tracking any washouts, but it still looks like we'll need that rain gear at times.